Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what are the skills needed to be for being a computer technician. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So what are the skills needed for or to become a computer technician? To be a successful computer technician, a variety of skills are required, ranging from technical knowledge to soft skills. Here are the key skills needed. First, we have here the technical skills. Number 1, hardware knowledge. Understanding of computer components like motherboards, CPUs, RAM storage devices, GPUs, etc. Ability to assemble, disassemble, and replace hardware components. Diagnosing and repairing hardware issues. Number 2, operating systems. Proficiency in various operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Installing and configuring and troubleshooting OSSUs. Number 3, networking. Understanding of networking principles, IP addressing, subnets, DNS, DHCP, setting up and managing wired and wireless networks, troubleshooting network connectivity issues. And then number 4, we have software troubleshooting, identifying and resolving software issues like malware, software conflicts, driver problems, installing and configuring and updating software applications. Number 5, data management, backup and recovery processes, data migration, understanding of file systems and storage solutions. Number 6, security. Basic cybersecurity principles, implementing and maintaining security measures like antivirus, firewalls, and encryption. Number 7, scripting and automation. Optional but beneficial. Basic knowledge of scripting languages like Python, Bash, PowerShell for automation of tasks. Let us go with the soft skills needed to become a computer technician. We have here number 1, problem solving. Analytical skills to diagnose and fix issues efficiently. Ability to think logically and methodically. Number 2, communication. Strong verbal and written communication skills for explaining technical issues to non-technical users. Good listening skills to understand user problems. Number 3, customer service. Patience and empathy when dealing with frustrated users. Providing clear and concise instructions. Number 4, we have here time management. Ability to prioritize tasks and manage time effectively. Multitasking skills to handle multiple issues simultaneously. And then, attention to details. We have here thoroughness in diagnosing and resolving issues, ensuring no steps are missed in troubleshooting and repairs. So, as a computer technician, if you are working abroad or overseas, even here in the Philippines, certifications can be helpful. So, we have here CompTIA A+, CompTIA Network Plus, Microsoft Certified Windows Client, Cisco Certified Technician or CCT, and Apple Certified Support Professional or ACSP. And then we have also here hands-on experience, practical experience through internships, entry-level positions, or personal projects. Staying updated with the latest technology trends and updates. Continuous learning, keep up with the industry changes and advancements. Engaging in professional development opportunities such as online courses, workshops, and seminars. Developing these skills will prepare you for a successful career as computer technician, enabling you to handle a wide range of technical issues and providing excellent support to users. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on what are the skills needed to become a successful computer technician. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.